Good morning, everyone. I'm Pebanri Makatangay from BSTM 361. Today, I will present you the process of taking table reservation. Good morning, sir. Thank you for calling BG and Pebe Restaurant. Pebe speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning, sir, ma'am. I would like to make a reservation for dinner Saturday, March 8th, for a party of four at 8 p.m., please.
Let me check our availability for the date and time. I'm pleased to confirm that we have a table for at 8 p.m. on Sunday, March 8th. May I have the name for the reservation?
The reservation is under the name of BJ Pajardo.
Perfect. The reservation for under the name of BJ Fajardo, B for Bravo, E for Echo, J for Juliet, A for Alpha, Y for Yankee, Fajardo, F for Foxtrot, A for Alpha, J for Juliet, A for Alpha, R from Romeo, D for Delta, O for Oscar. Is there any special occasion or dietary preference I should be aware of?
No special occasion, but one of our guests is vegetarian. So if you have any vegetarian option, that will be great.
Noted, sir. We will ensure there are vegetarian options available for your guests. Thank you for letting us know. We look forward for welcoming you on Sunday, March 8th at 8 p.m. Thank you for calling VG and Pebe Restaurant.
Thank you so much, sir. We are excited to dine in at your restaurant. See you then.